So guys, I'm gonna teach my two siblings how to do a back bend. Let's do it. That's Ariani doing a back bend using a wall. I didn't use any wall. The Tina's next. Go, 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 go. Done. My turn. But not using a wall. She's not using a wall. So Annie doing a warm up. She's doing a warm up. Si Tina doing si Tina's doing a wall handstand, okay? It's my turn. I have to do a trick. I have a trick. And it's not like a famous there, so this is like